Today, we're not just looking at a new motorhome, we're witnessing a revolution in luxury travel. The 2026 BMW Motorhome. BMW has taken its legendary engineering, its obsession with design, and its signature sense of performance and built something unlike anything you've ever seen on wheels. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a rolling masterpiece, a futuristic mansion that moves with the heart of a BMW and the soul of a private jet. Let's start with what you see first, the exterior. The front fascia is unmistakably BMW, bold, elegant, and dominant. That iconic kidney grille now flows seamlessly into a sculpted aerodynamic body that looks like it was shaped by the wind itself. Every line, every edge, and every chrome accent has been placed with precision. Those LED matrix headlights, they don't just illuminate the road, they make a statement before the engine even starts. The motorhome rides on massive 22-inch alloy wheels, giving it a powerful stance that commands the road. And yet, it's all engineered for efficiency. From its low-drag body to its active air management system that glides through air resistance. Around the sides, subtle sensors integrate into the bodywork, allowing 360-degree awareness and semi-autonomous parking. Even when parked, it looks alive, as if it's ready to take off. Then there's the roof, a full-length panoramic glass expanse that stretches across the cabin, bringing in endless light by day and the stars by night. An automatic retractable awning extends with a quiet hum, transforming your stop into a luxury terrace within seconds. Everything about the exterior whispers innovation and roars prestige. Now, open the door and step inside, and you'll understand what true luxury on the road feels like. The moment you enter, it's like stepping into a private suite from a five-star hotel, not a vehicle. Soft ambient lighting flows through the cabin. Premium Napa leather seats wrap around you, each with individual climate and massage zones. Every material inside has been hand-selected. Sustainable oak wood trims, brushed aluminum edges, and suede finishes so soft they almost melt under your fingers. The living area is pure BMW indulgence. There's a full lounge with a retractable 75-inch OLED smart TV, tuned with Harman Kardon surround sound that fills the cabin with concert-level clarity. And yes, even an integrated espresso bar for those slow, scenic mornings on the road. The kitchen? It's smarter than most home kitchens, complete with an induction cooktop, twin mini fridges, a convection oven, and a touchscreen hub that controls everything from lighting to entertainment. Every command, every detail responds instantly, the way only a BMW could design it. Walk toward the rear and you'll find a bedroom that rivals luxury suites in Europe's finest hotels. A full king-size bed with memory foam and temperature control. A panoramic skylight overhead, so you can literally fall asleep under the stars. And next to it, a bathroom that redefines what a motorhome can be. A rainfall shower surrounded by marble flooring, LED vanity mirrors, and smart water-saving tech, all designed with BMW's signature precision. Every storage compartment, every panel is hidden yet accessible, designed for elegance and practicality in equal measure. But of course, it wouldn't be a BMW without performance that thrills. Under the hood lies a hybrid powertrain that combines a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 with electric motors, together producing a staggering 720 horsepower. That means this luxury mansion can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 5.5 seconds. For something of this size, that's nearly unbelievable. The adaptive air suspension ensures you glide across any surface, smooth highways, gravel roads, even mountain passes. And the latest xDrive intelligent all-wheel system constantly adjusts power to each wheel, keeping you perfectly balanced and in control. With its regenerative braking and a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, you can even travel up to 100 kilometers in complete silence, pure electric serenity. And of course, safety and assistance tech are straight from BMW's flagship lineup. Lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and semi-autonomous driving, meaning your road trips just became smoother, safer, and a whole lot more relaxing. Now, all that engineering and luxury doesn't come cheap. The 2026 BMW Motorhome starts at around $1.6 million, and with full customization and high-end options can reach up to $2.1 million. But for those who crave the best, this isn't just a purchase, it's a statement. A declaration that freedom and luxury can exist in perfect harmony. BMW even offers bespoke packages, from off-grid solar systems to personalized color themes and exclusive interior finishes. Every inch can be tailored to your vision. So, in the end, the 2026 BMW Motorhome isn't just about going places, it's about how you get there. It's about feeling the freedom of the open road with all the power, design, and comfort that only BMW could deliver. This isn't travel. This is the future of travel. Thanks for watching. If you love what BMW has done here, hit that like button, share it with someone who dreams of the open road, and make sure to subscribe for more luxury automotive deep dives, because this is where innovation meets imagination.